getting our load done. Coming out here to middle of nowhere to load some wheat straw. Had to come a bit of ways away from Farmington, out in the country. So we're just gonna get our empty weight scaled, and then we'll get our loaded, get our full weight scaled, and then we can hit the road. So here's what we're getting loaded: wheat straw. So after the corns are taken off the straw off the plant, the remaining chaff, the wheat straw, it gets baled up and gets used for other purposes. Follow this guy. Apparently it's when we're getting loaded. So we'll see what we see. Ready. All right, we made it to the Loves here in Milan, New Mexico. Getting our scale ticket. Waiting for this this guy in front of us to actually, clean his windows somewhere else so we can get off the scale. But he's taking his sweet old time, doing a nice detail job on his truck. But I'm still sitting half on the scale because there's no other place I can go. But instead of pulling up, to the line like you should to begin with, he's parked there like a knucklehead. So now I'm sitting here waiting just so I can get in a parking spot, go into the bathroom, and get off the scale so somebody else can use the scale. But I guess hauling trash means you have special rights in the world. You can do whatever you please instead of actually thinking of somebody else. You can wipe your windows in a regular parking spot. You could have just a tiny amount of consideration for somebody else. Oh, I swear. Oh, whatever. Like I said, we're gonna go in here, use the bathroom, get something to drink. Maybe a bite to eat, we'll see. Then we're going to move on about 100 miles, 120 miles down the road to Moriarty. Moriarty, New Mexico. We're gonna stop there for the night, get a shower, then just get up nice and early tomorrow. You know, just make our way as fast as possible through, Albuquerque, through Amarillo, and then get ourselves down as close as we can, down through Texas, on our way to Campbell. But we're getting kind of delayed because of people just being selfish. We also picked up a nice little ding in the windshield. That matches the one that's up here. You know, called the safety and repair, and basically, place in Albuquerque, the Kenworth dealership wouldn't get me done until tomorrow afternoon, which that's not conducive to getting my load where it needs to go. So, see what we can find once we deliver on Friday. Hey, how dirty is this guy's windows? I mean, it's ridiculous that I'm still sitting here. I mean, do I have to back up to get around this knucklehead? Come on! I guess I'm backing up. Because some people have no damn consideration for anybody else. You know, I just can't be sitting on these people's scales because they got to use them. I mean, ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous.
In 400 feet, turn right on Juniper Drive and then turn right in 530 feet.
All I wanted was get my scale ticket and, you know, pull around and park it in a spot. Oh, now he's ready to pull out. Dumbass. A selfish prick. Selfish prick. It doesn't take much to be considerate to somebody else.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
But, you know, there's two people in that truck, a man and a woman. I guess husband and wife team, maybe. All they had to do was get the hell out the freaking way. Oh, I swear. Maybe, I don't know if I'm just being overly critical and just being impatient, but I guess you got to be the judge. You know, I think I was being pretty damn patient, you know, waiting all that time for somebody just to wipe off their freaking windows and mirrors, which plenty of parking spots out here to do that in. Fucking A! Ah! 61155.8 61. Fucking A. All right, here we are, Moriarty, New Mexico. We stopped at the at the Pilot at exit 196. Plenty of parking here. I mean, got here just about 4:30. You know, plenty of parking. And of course, that means this knucklehead here with Trident Logistics, truck number 114, instead of using a pull-through over there or any number of these other spots that are here, I got 3 spots to my right, 1 spot all the way next to the curb, 2 spots between me and this poly trucking truck, between me and this DM transportation. I got 2 spots here. There's at least 4 spots or 5 spots between DM transport and the next truck. There's at least 3 pull-throughs in front of them. There's at least 2 spots, 3 spots to Trident's right. Beyond, you know, the truck on the next to DM, there's at least 8 or 9 spots. The furthest parking, you know, area over there where that hotshot pickup is at, there's at least 5 spots there. Yet he pulls in and stops right there. Why? Why do you do that? Why are you that stupid, selfish, and lazy? And yes, I use all those words not to insult, but to properly describe the type of driver who does that. I don't get it. I really don't. It takes an extra minute, 35 seconds, 45 seconds to back it into one of these spots. Please. And what is CR England here doing? Making a U-turn in the road. Way to go, CR England. Way to be dangerous. Wow. Woo. Yeah, just bad trucking overall today. Bad trucking. All right, we got our shower reserved. Got 1 person in front of us. So we got our stuff all ready to roll. Got my keys, got my wallet, got my cash. Got everything we need. Truck is shut down. Got our post trip done. We are ready to go get a nice hot long shower. And we need one. It's not just getting clean, it's getting a bit of a massage and relaxation as well. We got a load of hay or wheat straw. Hay is something different. So we got, you know, got it tarped over all the way to the back and straps over top of the tarp to keep it from, you know, blowing in the wind. Overall, easy ride, not a problem. So we're gonna go in here and get our shower. Like I said, all these empty spots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots. Yet, here he is, parking like an idiot. Way to go, dummy. Oh, I'll tell you. See all these spots over here? 4 pull-throughs right here. All these spots all the way down here. Yet he's got to park right there. Wow. It's amazing that these people are allowed to have driver's licenses and they're allowed to be on the road. They can't even manage basic courtesy, basic civility. You know, so now he's going to be in the way of a lot of other drivers, at least 5 other drivers who are going to try to park their vehicle and not going to have the space to maneuver because he's in the way. I don't know, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots here without paying for it. One, you know, and there's a couple spots still available for the reserve parking as well. But what does he do? He parks right in the way. It'd be a real shame if somebody come out and cut all of his air lines on his trailer tires. Oh, I swear. People are just ignorant. Plain down ignorant. Kind of like this guy here. P&P Logistics, Bixville, California. 1321 truck number. Parking in a parking spot? No. Where's he parking? Everywhere but a truck, but a parking lot. You know, parking spot. Ugh. It's not difficult to pull into a parking spot, especially when there's 24. You know, at least 24 parking spots in this parking lot for trucks easily pull into. It is amazing how bad people drive. I tell you, it is surprising and at the same time not surprising on how ignorant human beings can be. Well, there's your rant for the day. Let's go get a shower. All right, here we are. Pilot, Moriarty, New Mexico. Exit 196. We're in shower number 6. Shower head was a bit low. Just about 5'10" would be ideal. But I'm 6'1", so that was a little low for me. Pressure, temperature, and flow all were good and steady. Bathroom is clean. Everything's functioning good. Fan is clean. Vents are clean up here. You know, little dings on the walls. There and there. You know, missing hanger there. Other than that, I give this a fair to good.